Three birds spilling blood on the ground. No one's looking around to help them out, except for my mouth. Three birds, helpless birds with nothing